Hi there everyone, I'm Bryan Fagan. I'm an attorney at the law office of Bryan Fagan. Today I'm going to talk to you about a journey through one of the most dramatic and impactful decisions in a divorce. Does it matter who files first? Divorce is no ordinary journey. It's a whirlwind of emotions, legalities, and life-altering decisions. To make it more engaging, let me introduce you to Jeff and Erica, a couple whose marriage is hanging by a thread. Jeff, a sharp-minded strategist, takes the courageous step of initiating the divorce proceeding by filing first. In the legal arena, Jeff becomes the petitioner, while Erica is the respondent. Imagine this scene. Jeff, deeply rooted in Texas, files for divorce in their county of residence. But hold on. There's a twist. Erica, who's been away on business, returns to discover the divorce papers waiting for her. Erica is now respondent, and the battle begins, igniting a courtroom drama. So let's get to the heart of the matter. Does it really matter who files first? In Texas, being the petitioner gives you a strategic advantage. By filing first, Jeff gets to choose the county where the case will be heard, strategically positioning themselves for a legal battle. But keep in mind, both parties must meet the residency requirement for that county. However, filing first grants Jeff control over the location and procedure, offering a logistical edge that cannot be underestimated. This also means that Jeff gets to present his case ahead of Erica during hearings of a trial, essentially getting the stage for the entire legal matter. This early advantage can set the tone for negotiations and strategies moving forward. Divorce isn't just about paperwork. It's about hearts and turmoil and lives in transition. Jeff, as the petitioner, carries the weight of initiating the legal process, which is not without its own complexities and emotional hurdles. It's vital to have a legal partner who not only understands the law, but also the effects of human emotions. When emotions are at the forefront, legal experience becomes your anchor in your divorce. But there's a pivotal twist to our story. Filing first comes at a price. Jeff bears the initial filing fee, and let's not forget the expenses involved in serving the divorce papers to Erica. It's a financial move that requires careful planning. On the other side, Erica, as the respondent, might choose to file a counterpetition incurring her own expenses. To sum it up, the question of who files first in a divorce matters, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Always bear in mind that every divorce case is unique, and seeking professional guidance can be your key to a positive outcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.